Welcome to this video. Today we will discuss about what is artificial intelligence and real-life example. So let's begin.
Hey there, and welcome. All right, today we're going to tackle a huge topic, one that is literally changing our world as we speak, artificial intelligence. Let's jump right in and demystify this thing. You ever wonder how Netflix does that? You finish binging a series and bam, right there is the perfect next show. It's like it's reading your mind, right? Or how your YouTube feed just knows what you'll click on. It's not magic, but it's close. Yep, you guessed it. The secret sauce behind all of that, it's artificial intelligence, or AI for short. It's kind of the invisible engine that powers so much of our digital world. Okay, so what is this thing we call AI really? We hear the term thrown around all the time, but what does it actually mean? Let's make it super simple. At its core, we're talking about machines or software that can think, learn, and make choices, kind of like a person does. And that word right there, adapt, that's the magic ingredient. This isn't just about a computer following a set of orders. We're talking about systems that can actually change and get smarter based on new info. So, how in the world does it learn? Well, it's basically a three-step dance. First, it just gobbles up massive, and I mean massive, amounts of data. Pictures, words, numbers, whatever. Then, it uses these super smart algorithms to look for patterns in all that information. And here's the coolest part. It uses what it finds to get better and better, all on its own, without a human needing to step in. It's learning from experience, just like we do. Okay, so that's the big idea. But where do you actually see this stuff in action? You might be surprised. It's not some far-off future tech. It's in your pocket, on your desk. It's already a huge part of your day. I mean, seriously, think about it. You ask Siri or Google for directions, that's AI. Amazon suggests something you suddenly realize you need, that's AI. Those little chatbots that pop up to help you on a website, AI again. Even the tech in self-driving cars, it's everywhere, woven so seamlessly into our lives, we barely even notice it anymore. But it's not just about our personal gadgets, not by a long shot. AI's impact goes way beyond that. It's becoming a total game changer for businesses all over the world. Companies are using AI for, well, all sorts of things. They're automating the boring, repetitive tasks so people can focus on the more creative stuff. They're digging into data to make way smarter decisions. And of course, it's all about making everything run faster, better, and more efficiently. So yeah, this is the big takeaway here. AI isn't just a cool tech gimmick anymore. It is quickly becoming an absolutely essential tool for any business that wants to stay competitive. Okay, but like any game-changing technology, AI is a bit of a double-edged sword. It comes with some mind-blowing benefits, for sure, but it also brings up some really important challenges that we have to think about. So on the plus side, you get incredible efficiency. It saves time, saves money, and cuts down on human mistakes. These systems can work around the clock. But then there's the flip side. We're talking about real concerns over jobs being replaced, major questions about our data privacy, and the risk of relying too much on this technology. So, with all this potential and all these challenges on the table, where does this all lead? What's next on the horizon for AI? Well, the today part? We're living it. AI is already baked into our lives. But look a little further out, and things get really interesting. Experts see AI completely revolutionizing huge industries. Think healthcare, with better diagnoses, or education, with learning tailored to every single student. We're talking about building smarter cities and creating jobs that don't even exist yet. So let this sink in. This isn't just a trend that's going to fade away. AI is a fundamental, powerful force that is actively building the future, shaping how we live and how we work, starting right now. Which really leaves us with one massive question. This AI-powered future isn't just coming, it's already being built all around us. The only question left is, are we ready for it?
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video.